Hey guys, Tony here. It does look like Doggy Coin is going to be starting a small rally on the upside. We can see the MACD being broken right now. Last time we actually broke that, last time we broke it was right here back on April 15th, which was what, like 2 days ago. After that broke, we went from 12 cents to upwards of 40 cents. So this can be a pretty big move on the upside for Doggy. We have to see exactly what's going on. You guys know that I'd rather be late than wrong. So when this actually does break towards the upside, or this actually creates a little red bubble, that's when I'll probably start my purchasing, or I'll probably like rebuy a little bit. And then we're gonna see from there, because right now everything's kind of breaking. The stochastic's breaking. The 1 hour right now is super bullish. The 30-minute is still pretty bullish. And then on the day chart, it does look like it's gonna be the day chart is definitely bearish, but we can definitely see a small stochastic push towards the upside, and it might keep running that way. But we got to see, right? We have to wait and see what's going on. I think if I do put a little bit more into like to swing this, I probably, you know how I told you guys that buying right here at this $27 mark would be a really good time to swing this trade. I think depending on how hard we actually push on the upside towards the momentum, there is a chance right now that it rallies all the way back up to like 40, I think like 45 cents, I think maybe even passing 50 cents. So we have to see exactly what's going on right now, but expect this push to last. I mean, how long did it last last time? It lasted April 16, lasted a full day, or like around a day. So if this is a very strong push and a lot of volume supports this, we can definitely expect a very, very, very big push on the upside. So yeah, I do think that right now, I don't want to say that it'd be the best time to get in, just because I don't want to get in until there's actual confirmation, right? Because right now Doggy is at 31 cents, but it can definitely drop back down to, I'd say, maybe 28 cents, 27. But once this actually crosses down to the downside and creates like a new, obviously bearish MACD, but obviously this is a personal creation of mine, and it calls reversals, right? And that's basically what I'm timing everything on. I'd rather be late than wrong, so you know, we'll see what happens here. I might add a small swing position to my Doggy and maybe ride this all the way up to a 45 cents if it has that volume and if it has that push. So I'll see you guys later.